Okay, now I want to find the equation of the tangent passing through the curve at x is equal to -1. I need to know the point, I need to know the gradient. What is the point? I know that x is -1, so what is y? Y is f at -1. So what is f at -1? F at -1 will be equal to, since the curve is f at x equal to x squared, f at -1 will be -1 squared, which is equal to 1. Therefore, x is -1, y is 1. What is m? I know the value of x is -1. Therefore, m is going to be f prime -1, which is equal to 2 times -1. Remember, f prime x is 2x. F prime -1, go to f prime x, substitute x by 2, which comes to -2. So what is the equation? Y equals m into x minus x1 plus y1. M is -2 into x. x1 is -1 plus y1. Plus, because this is a negative here and x brings another negative, so negative something negative, subtract something negative, we get a positive. I mean negative minus, becomes positive, and that becomes -2x minus 2 plus 1, which is -2x minus 1. So that's how I calculate the equation of a tangent at to a curve at a particular point. This all has to do with knowing the value of the gradient at a point. If I know the gradient of the tangent at this point, I can calculate the gradient of the tangent, because the value of the gradient of the tangent where the tangent touches the curve is also equal to the gradient of a curve. So that's how I do that. Sometimes you might be given this in another way. Once again, because of time, I'm going to take something simple. F at x is equal to x squared. I hope you can see. Sometimes, let us say, they tell you that at this point, the gradient of the curve is equal to 4. And they want you to find the coordinates at this point. They do ask that a lot. I'm not happy if I don't see these things. The gradient is 4. They say calculate the point where the gradient on the curve is equal to 4. So if you are to calculate a point, you need to find the x value and the y value of that particular point. So how do I go around doing this? It's very simple. If I know that the gradient is 4, I must remind myself, what is the gradient? The gradient is the derivative. The derivative is the gradient. That is why I always preach Utabandu, they must remember that. Gradient, the derivative is the gradient is the derivative. So I have f at x equals to x squared. Okay, let me break the video. I will continue after this.